Well, that doesn't work out. You won't see it ever, probably. But anyway, why don't we Windows Vista that computer, that computer, that computer, and that computer? Original Windows Vista though, because you can Windows Vista anything. So we got that right there up, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure this doesn't tip over on itself. So I'm gonna take this this monitor and do something. This is not very well thought out because everything's improvised. You know that already. What was that? I'm gonna pull the. Whoa! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna pull the whoa out right here. You haven't seen this computer in who knows how long. I used it. Oh wow. F12. Oh, what the heck happened in there? I guess that's what we get. Holy cow, why is there a rocket over here? USB DVD-ROM. Oh. What the? Let's try that again. I don't like where this is heading. It just sounds terrible. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Fine. I'll go back down to you. I'll let that thing go off. I don't know what the heck is going on there. But that's just terrible. We're gonna see if we can Windows Vista 4 computers today. Finally. Hopefully. Oh look, Windows is start loading files now. What I might have to do is go grab that fan that I've used before. Please. Yeah, that one's working. Okay, make this video even worse. Oh my gosh. Oh, now there's thermal paste on my desk. Oh, this computer's just getting worse and worse every day. Every time I try to use it, it doesn't work. So yeah, we're gonna stick a fan. Big fat fan in front of it. Will that work? I mean, it's a fan, right? Wait, no. Oh my gosh, it's... Okay, back down to Vista over here. Vista's set up 1. Why is it set up? Ouch! It's dark in here. Wow. Oh. I'm actually getting this monstrosity to work. Okay, Hahaha. It's so dangerous, it's not gonna work. Beep. Oh. Oh my gosh. Turn off, turn off. Off. That wasn't supposed to happen. Did it again. That is a noisy computer. Whatever which one is that. I don't think this one's the noisy one right now. What is this? Like harmonizing here. And it sucks. Nice.